I'm going to be discussing with you the Rio Grande Rift. I don't know if y'all have ever heard of that.
No.
Any idea what that is? My name is Oscar Garza. This is for Geology 1403 VO2. My professor is Dr. Nadigan. So, a few questions you might have is, what is a rift? Where is the Rio Grande Rift located? And what effects would it have on the land around it? Would we be any kind of immediate danger? You hear volcanic activity, shifting lands that might make you think that there's a danger in the area we live in. So this is an image of what a rift is. So basically what's happening is that, I mean, there's plates on the ground, I'm sure you all are aware of that. They're not pushing together, they're actually pulling apart. And when that happens, lava comes up from that area, melts that area above it, causes volcano, causes earthquakes, causes all sorts. Am I putting your phone down? I'm trying to explain something to you. Causes volcanic activity starts happening. Once that stops, that land above it doesn't have anything below it supporting it, so it drops. And this happens over and over and over and over and over and over again. So it causes a depression.
Over a lot of years.
Over 29 million years.
Mm.
Yeah. So the area that it covers is actually begins in Colorado, goes all the way down into Mexico. We're actually on the southeastern tip of it. It barely kind of creeps into the area that we're at. So we get our name from the river more than we do from the actual valley, the rift that it causes. It is the most studied rift in the world. Scientists use this rift to understand other rifts around the world. The effects that it has on the land is kind of what I explained to you already. So every year it's separating at 1.5 millimeters. It doesn't seem like much, but over lots of time, you end up with like huge valleys like this. A lot of people think that the valley was caused by the river, kind of like the Grand Canyon, but it wasn't. It was caused by the volcanic geological activity happening in the area. How many minutes is it?
226.
Okay, good. Are we in any danger? Scientists would tell you that we're not in any immediate danger, but the site is actually listed as a dormant volcanic site, not really an extinct site. So there is a chance that over time it could continue spreading and lava will make its way up again. The area close to Colorado is actually considered a supervolcano, kind of like in Yosemite. So millions of years ago, there was a huge explosion in that area that caused like great devastation. Hopefully that doesn't happen in our lifetime. So in conclusion, it is the most studied rift in the world. Scientists refer to findings to help understand other rifts. It keeps changing the landscape, even though we don't notice it. It is still moving, it is still happening. It's narrow, but it does impact a large area because of the length of it. And these are my references. Hope you guys understand what a rift is now a little bit.
Yes.
Okay, thanks guys.